Huangshan BANQIU Auto Parts Manufacturing Company Limited was established in Hangzhou in 2008. In 2014, it officially went into production in Huangshan City and was renamed accordingly. The company is committed to producing a full range of high-quality spark plugs, including nickel alloy spark plugs, platinum spark plugs, iridium spark plugs, double iridium spark plugs, ruthenium spark plugs, motorcycle spark plugs, industrial spark plugs, and more than 1,000 spark plug models in 12 categories. It is a spark plug manufacturing enterprise that integrates R&D, production, and sales. The company currently has 8 fully automatic production lines, independent national standard laboratories, a variety of testing instruments, automatic laser spot welding machines, hot sealing test benches, spark test benches, and other advanced equipment, and sells an average of 20 million high-quality spark plugs each year. The double iridium spark plugs produced by the company offer the unique advantages of iridium, including faster ignition, lower starting temperature, better acceleration, improved fuel efficiency, and other benefits, allowing the engine to deliver more optimal power and providing drivers with an enhanced driving experience. The company has obtained ISO 9001, TS 16949 quality certifications, and over 20 utility model patents, continuously promoting technological innovation to ensure products meet the highest standards. While focusing on scientific research, it has also consistently prioritized effective brand promotion. Since its founding, BANQIU has received over 100 honors domestically and internationally. It ranks as the top brand in the auto parts category on the TikTok platform in China and has become the most influential spark plug brand in the country. The brand is well known in both domestic and foreign markets, with significant advantages in brand policy, OEM policy, quality control, and after-sales service. The company continues to enhance its brand influence through an industry trade integration model and is embarking on its brand internet journey. Standing at the forefront, we aim to lead the nation and meet international standards. We always adhere to the principle of high-quality self-discipline, implementing a strict production supervision mechanism, improving management efficiency and service levels, and providing customers with high-quality products and services. In response to the national development call and aligned with the company's vision, Huangshan BANQIU Auto Parts Manufacturing Company Limited is steadily advancing in R&D innovation, quality control, collaboration systems, and service excellence.